Hey, what's going on, guys? How are y'all today? I was at the local grocery store today picking up some milk because, you always need milk, always. And as I always do, I stumbled down the shaving aisle just to look and see what they had and found a new razor. So it was like 20 bucks. I probably overpaid for it, but it's pretty cool and figured I'd just kind of show it to you guys. So it is a Hagen, and you guys know how much I love these things. Okay, they're cheap, they're easy to use. If you break one or leave one, you can always pick up a replacement. So this is going to be the official quote unboxing. Now I have, for the sake of this video, cut open the plastic on it because it's easier to do. But this will be the official unboxing video. So there you go. All right, looks like it comes with 5 blades in the top, Hagen blades, and then there's the razor. So that's how it comes packaged. Set that aside for just a second. So I will put this right here. You guys want to read it? If you can read it, I don't know if you can or not. But anyway, there you go. Oh, and it's barber recommended, so that's good. All right, let's get the blades out. All right, so this just kind of opens up a little bit here. There we go. Set the blades down. Set the razor down. Blades, so they are ice tempered stainless steel, supposedly made in Germany. I don't know about all that, but anyway, there they are. Here's the razor. Now I know this is a copy of a Merkur Future, I believe it is. Yeah, Future. And of course it has the adjustments on it. Straight out of the box it is set to 0.5, but as we all know, the only acceptable way to do this on an adjustable razor is to run it up to 6 or 9 or 47, whatever the official number is, and then run it wide open from there. So just initial impressions. I like the matte finish. It looks cool. It's got big holes on the bottom to let a lot of soap out. The mechanism does not move unless the cap is off, which I think is pretty cool. Pretty good little feature. So that's pretty cool. Got good weight to it also. Yeah, it's got good weight to it. I do like the fact that it has a little lip right here. So it's supposed to, I guess, make it easier to get it off, which is cool. The machining looks good on it. Yeah, I mean, again, for the price point, it's 20 bucks. You're not getting a Merkur Future. I guess you can adjust it with the head on. Okay, I don't know if you can do that, but yeah, you can adjust it with the head on. So anyway, just a real quick little video, unboxing video. So we will be shaving with that sometime this week and try to get that posted. Again, I know it's a knockoff, I know it's a novelty, but pretty cool to see that Hagen's making that sort of thing. So anyway, not much else other than that. Just wanted to say, found it, paid for it, took it home. We'll see what happens. So hope you guys enjoy watching, and I look forward to shaving with this. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.